I was here, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, dear. Obi himself or a disappointed president. I just an answer to me, anchor a president for Kunyano, Abenyano, and to me and so, and you know, why you disappointed to MPP party Nankasankasa. Nabusia, and simply to ya about see a year on my phone, and the MPP political parties, no members need a cassette. Send your Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was CRA or this year's election in one day. I ebeya enka next year na me aduma momo fa na try crash se oba omo fa ken akompreko Japan emfa ne mra na omo de ne ba ebeye straight win e dia MPP abuzia ba yenti se mekoso wa se ne mra iwe ebeto aso e dia
Yan Santos wale ze wa ntia na jimia faso so be wuda dada se ko jimia ko wuda dada wunyimia minyimia be kanfo otufo betimi ama
I'm presidential everywhere. When we are 2028, Bawumia can over be MPP delegates into Mano. And that is why Canada Japan supporters now starting yesterday. Canada Japan for 2028 because it appears that Canada Japan they bet me any youth in Aboowa because they say they are before now. Not MPP supporters are not even thinking rationally anymore. They are before now. Into a moon in such a lamp before. I'm also so much power and what did you mean? And I did your own people, not Canada Japan. Your own people cry against you. And see, that's one of the things that NDC has that MPP doesn't have. NDC who say, call for crowd power. She said 8 years in opposition, yeah. For Mahama, Papa, they were still dedicated to Mahama. More position. Party executives, constituency for Juma Kramujo Musikasa. Munko back Namuko, yes, our homework. MPP for Munko back Namuko, yes, our homework. There are people who brought you, one of them, including the Mubes Bakoni Ashanti region, and O2 for Kayeno. Marco, Ashanti region, and Kako Fanochi Hospital, 2 for Nagiji Bosian, or 2 for Nayala Lala to build. In your stronghold, hospital and your 2 for the O. Hospital, your 2 for the O. Or 2 for the hospital this year. Hospital, or 2 for Nagiji Sika. To go and fix the hospital, and you ferry, and you money work in your World Bank. One said the Ashanti region showdown, 60% turnout. Musumpo, Omumpie. They know who. Omumpie, they won't come out. Ashanti region, East region, so I'm. We said all these things here, you can't now. And MPP Christians, not to work. MPP Muslims no boafu. What I say, even the MPP Christians are upset. They are angry. And they showed it. Beginning now, I am paying money, but it's not just about saying paying money. Because to me, take them for to vote. Now I'm the case I am paying money. But the issue is how MPP manage this whole thing about religion. How they manage this whole thing about Bawumia religiosity or the religion of Bawumia, and how Bawumia not also being a politician, also played into the hands of the novices around him. Some of the people around Bawumia campaign team, when you campaign national elections, and that Obia compared your baby, and I'm under Bawumia novices, people who have never run a national constituency campaign and a national campaign. I'm running a national campaign. No, Mudidi Bawumia. Bawumia call Philadelphia, not Ambocho Mundiache. I didn't know Muniho. Bawumia the concession speech, no Obama and President Kufuor didn't want to say twice. Once one body bill. He is paid, or not. I said, Nanad, I can begin. Nanad, dissociate yourself from the campaign. Yedi, because Bawumia, the in our own course. Bawumia problem in our own another course. You have courted anger, a buffo for Bawumia. Something in last minute, MPP former Bawumia called 15 times. They knew on the ground, they knew it. Okay, MPP voting is a result, but they knew it. But they didn't have any contingency. They knew it, but they didn't have any contingency. I had a doctor, Professor, don't very certain 25 years, go see 55 year voters. No one told my MPP. Now they know Madam Mante say, they didn't do anything about it. But they thought it's every another catch up. So, yeah, project that one Jimmy 2016. Mahama, a circle Dubai. Mahama, a rich hospital. Mahama, airport. Mahama, 37, 37 shopping mall is they suspended the my office one. Yes, so the Ghanaians voted against them. And this how you class one politician. And other class you don't know say a true election 9 minutes, especially when the 8th term national. 8th term national. And before you cannot a friend say bring down the anger, the resentment of the people with projects. Because I think that the anchor the coposi or Twitter. Catch a Ghana for voters say, don't be fooled, don't be fooled and deceived by the projects now NBC Amaya in 2016. Now a government that is incompetent or incompetent. Gabi posted this on Twitter. And the internet doesn't lie, the internet never forgets. Gabi and the coposi way. So you come back in 2018, one of the mistakes of Nanado Abai, when NBC crap, Mahama was not an official government position, then he said, Mahama, then in your biwo, Joyce, Baba, the woman is overqualified to even be a minister. But I just said, Ninianum been in a moody, but Mahama, I can count a Ninianum be a baby at 4. Fred and Felix, ni dimpo this cry. No, and almost in a bad 3 or 4 people, and put on the official government position. Only official. But another girl, Jankumo said, hey, a creative arts council. What? Why? It will man, that's one of the mistakes. I can operator say one and then can operator. As I think airport one, right? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? I dare be one of my you sow the seed of anger and resentment, and then Bawumia is paying the price for it. And the question is that Bawumia survive it. Man, I want to me survive it. Man, I want to me babak deal. Man, I want to me babak deal. Man, I want to me babak deal. It's sad. It's sad. It's a my yes, sir. What I say, come on, man, for a Kotokoni has to focus here. You play solid game. You know, I could lose at the end of the day, but we want a good game. But when the people they don't even give a good contest. They didn't give you a good contest. And you see, for what security expert, our bay or security near Memo. You see, said the soldiers a free polling station, and that's one of the ways I miss. You can't be road ross. They are busy running ross, doing unnecessary things. They are camera pockets here, they are confirm map, and I'm then this is body news actually. Look, I'm about 8 years old, they are more hungry for power. They are more determined for power, more so much power, more determined, and they reject your own people. And this is a classic indication that baby, you must listen. You must listen. POB message I send their boss say we the Ashantis will give them a showdown again if they don't change. And all cannot. More World Bank me Ashanti. Me tell them because this World Bank and Tony Ashanti region. Yet here time. Muntie kekadamu for feedback ni adwuma. Na na do buy 2060 massive win. 1 million votes na omo de ma. Me say no two for kind. O see a company and libre na for the 2 NDC. Also ba no anye adwuma. The same company and libre they go vote against you.
Company for no John Mahama or catchers are by the company before na toye.
So we and we can go to TV3 kind. So Mahama na catchers said the company before and a 2 year.
As I can another also catch and say a company before so on so banu anye the company before besa to
you can tell another one so back that's why really yeah a company before no the pam Mahama be the pam
and I know 2 for kind not say company any brain over the 2 year 2 buy me see comfort not or 2 for Agye no dey e swami interchange here fa ho is a major road sa kwan na akọ tachiman sa kwan na the one yes sa kwan World Bank one ye who go to Ashanti region for box site when you what the bay interchange Poko say oh showdown I crap for the amount. Yes, when the fundamentals are weak, the voters will give you a showdown. No, the amount no showdown. That's why they give you no showdown. We said all these things here, Monty. You can't now, Monty. You can't be na police on Facebook, no. You catch him. Mr. Ghana web story we crowd me can't hold me say MPP Nanado Luzua and Kolanketenkete crowd manache and Kolanketenkete. I'm looking for the story. Make sure me and Kolanketenkete crowd mama watching. And Kolanketenkete crowd mama watching. You still didn't listen. And no money. the Ashanti region for Namufu somebody or Jimmy. In 1990, in 2004, even the second term of Kufo, Ashanti region came through. They voted massively, almost 80% for MPP. In 2008, even MPP forces another one. Well, you found Ashanti region led by a friend said, almost another to which we would take him, and they were dedicated. They still voted Nanado from primaries against Alan Chairman. Even against Alan Chairman in 2007, 2008, Ashanti region voted massively for Nanado. In 2012, Nanado elections here, NBC winning a call election petition called Supreme Court. Ashanti region came through, Eastern region came through, Greater Accra region came through, voted massively for Nanado. Election petition in outside about 2016, they all came out massively, over 70-75%, almost 80%. They all came out, Greater Courage, Ashanti Eastern region, voted massively for you. Who ya? Dr. Akoto say you. Dr. Akoto say somebody who managed Ghpage and Kufo, Minister of Finance, Crown Farmer, who near Oforeta, all managing the economy. They all manage a data bank. The woman data bank, you chose the man over Akoto say, and obey a banking sector crisis. I want managing the year. You more yama, even the UT bank boss, I'm being any other. You all the business community concedes back on business community concedes concedes who won your budget. Mr. Amati concedes who won your budget or or see the business community, 85% they are against Bawumia because of the Kenofurata Brea. Nina, and doctor, and I have another prayer council. If when you drew their attention to it, they will reply you with it, and they are not qualified. Me say, doc, classic example, you need Bema Kofitonto. Kofitonto fi America that's on Ghana here campaign. What can be the same Kofitonto for so on Yansa Chobia? Oh dear, no beko. I'm saying Kofitonto, me name grandma cover elections, 7 elections. Are you kidding me? No, my God, what you combat a combat dimunina. You go smell pepper, a combat dimunina. And 2 obviously MPP will bounce away, yes, MPP will bounce back. But again, 8 years time. Kafena Mahama baby the time no a branch be no de na chiejano. No so aba beto aso. Mumu yen munti ase mum pese mbetie nsem. This is it. Me say ahaya na me beka say nanado okọ efia. Enkola kete kran command good morning e wo fie when he goes into opposition. Because from day one Nanado has been doing everything. Bawumia should blame Nanado for this loss. Also blaming him. Also blaming for the Bawumia not so the kakaka, which is this religion. No, Professor, he don't say research on the back. He was saying that religion was going to play one of the key roles in this election. Religion, I knew that way. The Muslims were confused. They were like, Bawumia, in fact, one of the last most wrong move by Bawumia was to go to Philadelphia. Sorry, hold on. And then you talk okay, because Philadelphia not to Mahama hobby. But what come here day? Israel force Omodi and Deo is scarf here booty so Obi money. So even the conservative and California or conservative for her, you Sunni, you Tijania, and you are Ahmadiyya, and they were almost they were confused and they say, you know, over so you're Christian and not obey a Muslim. Emudia and Aupe. Emudia and Aupe. Emudia, one was any message that would be at them there, and it will jack. They are even NPC boy or Google MPP for no. Normal. This is exactly what MPP also did to NDC. You know there. Mama Mudi attempt the money your coins. Which is the money. That will be a Ghana Blasters name. Yeni Sudan Boko ye Kori. And I have to folk Nikotoko. Oh, say they have a bomb match now. Will be a teasing the uncle. It's just part of it. Where you win, we be winning. Into where we know where teasing the uncle. But when you take it, who did you tell me I want your coins? I get your coins. About to be one person will win, one person will lose. Young drink gun or mining cost money or money here. Now, one of the key issues, any which is MPP for minority or more parliamentary. Right now, NBC has a blank check. NBC has a blank check because they may more or two for video nature. MPP for and young answer from vote to no munya in 2020. Because the most young answer, and from 2020 now, starting you correct your mistakes. Starting with second of President Kenofurata, Nanado and Just sack him. And so you see, and you are not no Professor Jampo research chair, you know, see. And for money between 18 years and 24, they will vote MPP because some of free SHS. All money between 25 years to 55, I'm gonna breadwinner. And look at that bracket. Almost on 25 to 55. Let's get you no motor idea. No one example I was school. No, I'm gonna go find your China in Dubai, man. I'm gonna walk so kind. I'm gonna walk kind. I'm gonna walk. Some of one will not vote. They said they will vote NDC. Professor Don Ferry said who shows that MPP went to you. You can't, and they didn't listen. They did not listen. They said it very clearly. Professor Jampo, Don Ferry research. Or see between 25 years and 55 for almost MPP, they are voting NDC because some bracket, breadwinners, photo ban and collect didi, the light bill, the water bill, $CD exchange rate in effect, jump for man, jump for man, spare parts for the we said it here. And a chunk of those people who are Greater Accra region, Eastern region, Ashanti region. MPP, what did they listen? And one said, Greater Accra region, Eastern region, more typically, and this is the core of MPP. You see, that's the difference between MPP and NDC supporters. The typical NDC supporter on the other about it. So, by MPP supporter, because most of our support base, you know, and they want you people in 2021 2.6 million people did not vote. 2.6 million people did not vote. Yet, electoral commissioner, now, Reverend, you could see, honestly, a prophet, only a grad, any idea, now they are all envisaging. Look, and then it's a prophecy or whatever. You must wait. Even if people didn't even have a contingency, they say, on one of the executives, they should sack them. Kodia, General Secretary Kodia. I'm just saying, your board crowd on my job would have done a better way. Timana would tease your board or lose you, and I will say, oh, now John Boyd would have done a better way. Kodia, they should sack him. National Executive. If I show you the video, I found on my press conference, and on my Ghana.
Yan Santos one is all in Tia, like Jimia, was also with the boy Jimia, go with the dada, who Jimia, they can fool with 2 for TV amount. Hey, May Santos, some cold mamba, Nasa me Brea, Nasa me Passe, me a short videos, Mamma Nijing one year. And you baby one was a call. Na makohe otumfo ba TV ho na benya videos papa so say wo hwa na subscribe tie otumfo ba TV na subscribe so entempana no bomodi no wa share link no we share link na na wo bi su enya no so